Hey guys, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. Today I've got this really cute little Merci candy holder. I found these for $4.99 at Aldi and could not resist. They're like the perfect size and shape for doing treat boxes. They're real rectangle, straight sides. Makes it easy to design little holders. And we got this cute little one for you. We're going to use Christmas Gleaming stamp set from Stampin' Up and the coordinated brightly gleaming punch. I'm going to do an ornament, this little kind of short round guy. There's also a longer skinny punch in the punch pack. Got real red. And I'm going to stamp on a scrap of Poppy Parade. I like the tone-on-tone, a little darker ink in the same shade and a little lighter cardstock. While we're stamping, let's get some shaded spruce ink and a scrap of Whisper White. And we'll do this awesome Merry Christmas greeting from the same stamp set. That's our stamping for this project. And punch out the little ornament here. Quick and easy. And let's trim our greeting. We're going to cut straight lines, leave just a little white border around our Merry Christmas. It'll frame it and keep the integrity of the stamped image. That little white border kind of camouflages any crooked cuts, puts the attention back on the stamped edge, which is perfect even if you cut a little wonky. All right, let's do the base of our project here. I've got a piece of Poppy Parade cardstock. This is 1 1/4 by 7. I'm going to get our Simply Score tool and put this in on the 7-inch side. We're going to score pretty simple at 3 1/2, 3 7/8, and 6 1/4. Before I work the score lines and forget, I'm going to round the corners on this 3/4 inch segment right here. So you've got your score line. This is the end we're going to round the corners on. My designer series paper is from Flowers for Every Season. I love the Christmas patterns in this pack. So it's a little Flowers for Every Season all occasion paper pack, but the Christmas ones are a whole lot of fun. Our Just Jade lattice piece, that's 1 inch by 3 1/4. And our poinsettia piece is 3 3/4 by 2. So this is how our base is going to fold up. Let's put our Just Jade piece. I'm going to use some multi-purpose liquid glue. See the back of that? So different. There really are florals for every occasion in this paper pack. We're going to center that right in the longest panel. And then we need our Simply Score tool again. We'll pop the designer series paper in on the 3 3/4 inch side and score at 1 1/4, 1 5/8, 2 7/8, and 3 1/4. I'm going to work that with a bone folder and then add a strip of tear and tape on this shortest, smallest segment right here. The tape goes on the pattern that you want to face out. And right before that score line there. Now, I'm going to pop my candy into the holder, fold up, and then use a little bit of dry adhesive. I've got some Stampin' Seal Plus here. We're just going to add maybe 1 inch to the front and to the back. If you want to add a little bit of adhesive and hold the candy in here, you can do that. I like to wrap it with the candy because it helps to keep that 3/8 inch side and give us a nice square shape. So we're going to take this designer series paper and this 1 1/4 inch segment here that's no seams, just folds toward the back. That's the front of your wrapper. You're going to put that so that you've got about an equal margin between the fold in the paper and between the bottom of the treat package and the paper. Burnish that, and then you can bring it around. Now peel the release on the tear and tape. Square everything up nice and square, and bring this long tab. Really square up your corner here. The seam is going to run nice and neat right along the edge of your treat pack. Got a nice clean back. There's our little treat pack. So cute, right? Let's tie it up with some just jade in color ribbon. Love this woven in color ribbon. We're going to wrap it around at the top of our treat and tie a bow. Nice loopy, kind of generous bow, and let's cut away from the spool. Clean up the edge. Got my gold foil scraps here, literally scraps. I love to hold on to these pieces for this. I'm gonna cut a sprig and then the top of a sprig. We just need a couple of loose bits here. So we'll have 3 little pieces. Got some multi-purpose liquid glue for this full sprig. We're going to tuck that right underneath the knot and adhere it to the top of our treat pack. And then we'll take another one here. One of these little half sprigs. Tuck that one underneath the knot. Got a glue dot. Let's add that to the back of this sprig. I can put that one right on the knot. I love the dimension that that gives to have that space between the two, that lift. Here's our ornament. We need some Stampin' Dimensionals for that. And I'm actually going to pop this up a couple of levels so that it'll sit over the knot, the top of the ornament, and be level with it at the bottom of the ornament. So I've got 3 dimensionals high. And we're going to put a little glue dot at the hanger. Snug that right up with the bow. So cute. Time for some mini dimensionals. We'll add a couple right on our ornament. That way the adhesive doesn't extend past the edge. So if you were to put the adhesive on the back of your Merry Christmas, you could potentially put it too far out to the edges and end up with the adhesive sticking out from the ornament funny. We'll center that right to left on that ornament. And there they are. There's our Merry Christmas. Christmas is Gleaming Merci chocolate holders. If you've got any questions about the project, email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, you can buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe the video. That's how people find us. You got anything at all I can do to help you stay crafty, reach out. Thanks for watching.